When the sun dips low and the stars ignite, I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. When the stars ignite, I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. With every heartbeat, I feel the spark. In this dance of shadows, you light up the dark. Your laughter is a melody that fills the air. In the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In the timeless embrace, love bondlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. Every moment with you is a treasure to hold. In the stories we weave, our love unfolds. Through laughter and tears, we're dancing through life. In the chaos and calm, you're my heart's delight. With every sunrise, a new chapter starts, painting our canvas with the colors of our hearts. In the quiet whispers, in the softest sighs, I find my forever in the depths of your eyes. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In the timeless embrace, love bondlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. And when the night falls and the world fades away, we'll write our own story, let the moment sway. With every heartbeat, our love will ignite. In the soft glow of twilight, you make everything right. Through the laughter and silence, through every embrace, I see my reflection in your loving face. In the dance of forever, we're lost in the night. In the warmth of your love, everything feels right. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. So here's to the in the quiet of the evening glow, when shadows dance and whispers flow, we stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, with threads of courage woven through the night. We'll leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts, the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told, with hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In this symphony, we're all as one. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts, the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. In the silence, hear the echoes of dreams unfulfilled, of untold fates. But we'll shatter the limits, we'll rewrite the rules. With the heart of a lion, we'll rise above fools. For every moment lost, there's a chance to regain. In the fire of our spirits, we'll dance in the rain. Together we'll stand, unyielding, unbowed. With the strength of the countless, we'll roar, we'll be loud. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. And when the horizon is painted in gold, we'll gather the memories, the stories we hold. In the laughter and tears, the lessons we've learned. With each step we take, our passion is burned. The world may change.
In the silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn, we gather strength, we raise our voice. In the echoes of a whispered choice, the world is vast, a canvas wide. With every heartbeat, we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Through the echoes of forgotten song, we find our way where we belong. In the whispers of the night, we'll ignite. With every step, we'll chase the light. Fires of passion burn in our souls. With every heartbeat, we'll reach our goals. No more shadows, no more chains. In the tapestry of dreams, love remains. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. And when the road seems endless and the night feels long, We'll find the strength within us, we'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. So here's to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every heartbeat, we're leaving fear behind. In the embrace of the stars, where our spirits can roam, we'll chase these horizons, together we're home. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we're finally free.
When the sun dips low and the stars ignite, I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. When the sun dips low and the stars ignite, I find